philosophy of the lift.
The argument could have been better.
I see what you mean.
Does this happen to you often?
Once in a while. You?
Once in a while.
Where are you going now?
I'm not sure. You?
I'm not sure. Usually my bird took me wherever I wanted to go.
Seriously? You're still going on about that bird after you swindled my brother and got Toph kicked out of Athens?
It's not her fault, Nick.
You're right. It's your fault for buying a bird from... I'm sorry, where was the bird from again?
The kingdom of the birds!
Right! The kingdom of the birds. And it never once occurred to you that maybe she's just hawking a plain old stupid bird? A bird that couldn't find its way south for winter, but its pathetic little life depended on it. I give up.
Do you believe her now, Nick?
Well, I suppose this is where we go our own ways. Good luck in the philosophy business.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm not sure. Anywhere my bird takes me.
Oh, you mean our bird?
Excuse me?
As far as I'm concerned, the bird is ours. We paid for it.
But you wanted a refund.
Which we never received.
I can't go anywhere without my bird.
And we can't go anywhere without our money.
At least, we have nowhere to go.
When the road you're on is suddenly gone, where do you go?
Somewhere with no God, somewhere with no fear, somewhere with no war.
What are you talking about?
What's the one place untouched by man? A place we can't get kicked out of.
The kingdom of the birds.
So what do we have to lose?
Sure, Theo, let's go.
Really?
Yeah, and then we can frolic with the nymphs and cherubs through the forest of smiles and happy dreams.
We've tried Athens, we've tried Thebes, we've tried Delphi, we've tried Troy, we've tried selling every soul by using every trick and ploy. Everywhere we've been, there's always been laws and ways we can't avoid. But there is some ways we haven't tried. A place where no one's been. A place where fighting never was. And never can begin. Nothing to fix because nothing's been broken. Nothing to move because nothing's been set. No more thoughts to be left unspoken. No more goals we got unmet. Our only opportunity is here and then it's gone. This is our opportunity. Our only choice is to keep moving on. Let's go there. Give it a shot.
Let's not.
The worst thing that could happen is we'll lose what we ain't got.
You never think.
But you never know. 'Cause when you hit rock bottom, there's nowhere to go. But
And what exactly are we going to find up there? Birds? How are we going to live?
I heard there's a king up there, not a bird. Not a king I spare the word. 'Cause he's not roots to spare. And that hill he's sure to share. When he sees we're just like him. So let's go there right now.
Why now?
Or you could stay right here and play. You'll find some food somehow.
out of luck,
And that only goes to show that when you hit rock bottom, there's nowhere to go but up.
you leave me in the birds. What do you say?
You're both crazy. You're mad. I've never heard a plan is half-assed or even half as bad. Stop looking above, start looking ahead, stop acting quite so rash.
Loyalty, there has to be a reward.
Let's go there. Let's try.
All right.
It's a crazy fantasy. Let's go as
just one concern, if I may, about those 3 accused Spartans.
What about them?
Are you sure they posed a threat to the city?
An example had to be made, Cassandra. We can't have people wasting their time on philosophy salesmen when they should be worshipping the Olympians.
What about the girl who was with them?
Phoebe? Phoebe and I have some history.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Yes.
Really?
No. I thought you two were used to traveling.
We are, just not this high up. How come you're not exhausted?
I'm used to heights.
All right, this is enough. Admit we're lost.
We're not lost.
This was a terrible idea, and now we're going to die out here.
Stop it, Nick.
We don't even know who she is. Why should we trust her?
Why should I trust you?
And another thing has been bothering me. I can't help but keep thinking about what happened at the Parthenon.
Let go of the bird already.
Not the bird, her.
Me?
If you knew her, why did you banish her?
Athena seemed awfully upset when she saw you, and I got to thinking, who is this person? What could have she done to anger an Olympian?
I had to banish her.
I couldn't go back.
To Athens?
To
To Mount Olympus.
But you have to be a god to live on Mount Olympus.
That's right.
Or a muse? She's a muse?
Was.
There were 9 muses born to bring peace and prosperity to all of Greece. And then there was Phoebe, the 10th muse.
I was born.
She was born
purpose.
for a cause.
Be the 10th.
Be the best,
Be the brightest.
free of flaws.
And I grew as a goddess of every day was perfection, each moment perfection, but over in praises and constant affection,
And the protection,
safe on my feet,
an Olympian bubble,
higher than clouds.
higher than trouble.
Goodbye to problems in the sky. Goodbye to worry that would try to lie. Still unknown, there was something
Was all
no one knew. I was different.
vital,
Normal, uninspiring.
lacking that spark that her role was requiring.
They gathered round Papa and told me to wait as these deities and goddesses decided my fate.
Zeus loved her so, but I firmly said no, that it wouldn't be wise. Her presence would lead to a costly demise if the mortals could see through a flawless disguise.
Of every day was perfection, each moment perfection, which made it much harder to bear their rejection.
For our protection,
Safe on that peak,
an Olympian bubble,
high above clouds.
higher than trouble.
Goodbye to warm out in the sky. Goodbye to worry that could die goodbye. The Olympians were afraid, and so they banished me. I've been trying to get back home ever since.
Born to the gods, banished from Mount Olympus. Some pretty prophetic stuff there.
I guess.
So, you're a muse. Let's see you do something inspiring.
I told you I can't.
Oh, seems pretty convenient, don't you think? A muse who can't inspire?
Knock it off, Nick.
If you're really who you say you are, and this bird knows where she's going, then where's the kingdom of the birds?
Did you hear that?
Don't change the subject.
Wait, I heard it too.
Where's it coming from?
Come on, Theo, we're going back to Athens. There is no kingdom of the birds!
dares come before his majesty?
That's the king.
Looks like a bird.
My travelers entering the kingdom of the birds.
Only birds are allowed to dwell amongst the birds. Are you birds?
Humans?
Very well. This calls for a celebration. Tonight we will feast.
Oh, thank goodness, that was started. What's on the menu?
Shit.
Okay, I'm here. Oh, by the beard of Zeus. Okay, I'm alright. Long day ahead. We got this? Bring in the sacrifices! I said send them in! What is the deal, Cassie? Where are all the sacrifices?
Your godliness, I'm afraid we have a problem on our hands. The Spartans have declared a ceasefire. They're saying they're open to negotiations. The war is over, your godliness.
Humans.
Some good news in the PR column, though.
Hit me.
It's PHOEBE. She's been spotted heading to the kingdom of the birds with Good Hope and Good Hope.
Kingdom of the birds, what do they want there?
I'm not sure yet, your godliness. But they've been captured by the birds. Unless you do something, keyword, unless, they'll be eaten. Given the current circumstances, I think this would be an excellent time for a benevolent God Saves the Day event. Get something good out there. Win back the home team. Should I pencil it in for a Deus Ex Machina?
The people of Athens want peace. I'll give them peace.
Pardon?
I know what I'm going to do.
Great. I'll put you down for a...
Earthquake.
What?
Get the Aries. I need an earthquake.
Where?
Right here.
In Athens, you'll kill thousands.
Action has to be taken, Cassidy.
What about PHOEBE and the philosophy sales?
Let them be eaten.
But your godliness,
Yes?